Hey guys, Allison here, and I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you what I'm making for dinner tonight. Another reason why I love my Epicure Multipurpose Steamers, because they are so versatile and they have made dinner prep so fast. So I wanted to do some roasted potatoes, but it is 10 to 6 and I didn't have a lot of time, so this is what I've done. I used my steamer. So these guys have been in the microwave for 12 minutes. As you can see, they are fork tender. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to season them. I'm going to put some olive oil, some rosemary, garlic, and some sea salt. And I'm just going to toss those and I'm going to put them in my oven. My oven is preheated to 410 degrees. And it is going to go in there alongside my salmon, which I have ready with my salmon rub. So this is the Epicure salmon rub. This is so good. I made salmon two ways a little while ago, one with teriyaki, one with the salmon rub, and everybody really loved this one. So, and I have just used the recipe that is right there on the jar. That's what I love about Epicure spices. They all come with recipes on the jar. Okay, I say all, but the rosemary garlic doesn't. It's just got the ingredients. It does have hints of how to use it. Anyways, these two are going to go right in my oven. Yes, this is silicone. It is not going to get damaged in the oven. This can go in the oven to 425 degrees. No problems. All right, I will show you what it looks like when they're done. Okay, they're done. 12 minutes in the oven at 400. And you can see that they have gotten nice and brown and crispy, still fork tender. They're going to be so good. They smell so good. I wish there was smell-o-vision and you could smell that. And then also my salmon is all done. 12 minutes was all it took. It's going to be so delicious. Got some broccoli steaming. I might need to invest in another multi-purpose steamer because broccoli takes about 4 minutes in the microwave in the steamer, and then it's perfectly good. Okay, so this is my dinner. Got some broccoli. I've got a tossed salad as well that I'm going to have so I can make half my plate fruits and veg. And yeah, it is now 6:15. So that was pretty easy. See you later. Bye.